we have to do this pattern. There are 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 rows. So this is your outer loop. This is in outer loop. Value of I is from 1 to 5 because there are 5 rows. Okay. Now this is before 1 there is 1 space. Before 1 there are 5 space. Before this one second row, before second row there are 4 space, and before third row there are, this is 5 space, 4 space, this is 3 space, 2 space and 1 space. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 space. So the inner loop J loop is from I to 5. That means from I to 5 means when value of I is 1, value of J is your 1 to, this is 1 to 5 means there are 5 space before 1. And when value of I is 2, value of J is from 2 to 5. 2 to 5 means there are 4 space before second row. And when value of I is 3, there are how many space? From 3 to 5 means 3 to 5, 3 space. Here 3 space. When value of I is 4, value of J is 4 to 5. That means only 2 space before fourth row. Then when value of I is 5, value of J is 5 to 5. That means only 1 space before fifth row. Okay. This J loop is for space. Now here this is given when value of J is your I to 5 means 1 to 5, there are 5 space. This is print space. When value of I is 2, value of J is 2 to 5 and print space means 4 space. It will print 4 space, then 3 space, then 2 space and then 1 space. Okay. Now come to the next J loop. This J loop is for your J. This is column. This J loop is for column. This is when value of I is 1, value of J is 1 to I. 1 to I means value of I is 1. So this is value of J is 1 to 1. 1 to 1 means only 1. Here print is J. J print means your 1 only. It prints 1. Then when value of J, value of I is 2, value of J is from 1 to 2. Value of J is from 1 to 2, print J. So it will print 1, 2. When value of I is 3, value of J is 1 to 3. 1 to I means 1 to 3. It will print 1, 2 and 3. When value of I is 4, it will print 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly, when value of I is 5, it will print 1 to 5. 1 to I means 1 to 5. Print J means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will print. Okay. And every after every loop there will be a your after every iteration there will be a next line, means this is first iteration. After first iteration it will come to the second line, means when value of I is 1, this is your first row. When value of I is 2, this is second row. It will come to the next line. After every iteration it will come to the next line. So this is for next line. This is your blank space. Here is given blank. System.out.println blank means it will give me new. It will come to the next line after each iteration. Okay. Clear this one? This is one is your outer loop. In this outer loop there are two nested loop. One nested loop is for space and second nested loop is for your column. This for this element. Okay. Now come to the next pattern.